Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix Huawei Watch Fit 5 steps counter off. So first, go into the step counter, then scroll to the right, activity records, click the gear, activity ring settings, make sure that everything is enabled except the wheelchair. Then you can go into your phone, Me, Settings, and click Sync. Then into the devices, you can right here update the firmware and restart your watch by clicking and holding the crown and then restart. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.